I'm here!
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing something quite posh because we've got someone posh here. It's a gentleman called Fred. He's actually from a place called Belgium.
Yeah.
If you've never heard of Belgium,
Best place in the world.
Yeah, it's the poshest part of France apparently. So we thought in homage to our French speaking guest, we're going to have snails.
Let's go.
So Toon's picking the meat out and Fred and I have got to cut the eyes off. And then how are we eating it, missus?
Put in your mouth and yum yum it.
Excellent answer. Alright then.
You open that. You see that? That the eye. Take it out. Open that. See the eye? Take it
There's
out.
just one problem. I haven't got long nails like you.
Hey, not need wrong nail. Not good, not good.
That is a lie. People from Belgium eat anything anyway.
Okay. Go back to UK.
It's rubbery. Next in the bush tucker trial is something that Toon caught last night. Right for the camera before we fry it in, missus. Not a chance for me. That's still all pussy inside, that is.
Honey, it's so good.
Because I love you. Careful, it's super hot.
Yeah, wait a bit. Ah, yes. Remove the wings. First thing.
Oh, that looks a lot better.
Yeah.
It's hot.
Don't you need to put some oil or chili powder or something? No, like this. Soft. Oh yeah. How is it?
I remember when I was a kid, my dad found when have rain, like a big old tree, rock tree, that under that a lot. I used to dry fry them. And when they cook, you put fish sauce in it, or salt in it. It's just bake him and
Like
yummy.
bug popcorn.
Same popcorn. You want to try?
No, thank you. I leave it to you.
Good.
He seems to like it a lot.
I like you to say no anyway.
Yeah.
Only two.
Here's Fred. What are you doing here, Fred?
I'm traveling with my motorcycle all around Thailand very often, and I had to come here to see Lee too because I plan to farm in northeast Thailand quite soon, so I needed some advice. And you know, in Thailand he's famous, this guy. So that's why I'm here. And I'm here because I also like to travel. I have a small YouTube channel. You can see my my videos, the way I travel, a bit of off-road, the small road, the beautiful small roads in Thailand. It's perfect. You should come here riding with me.
Nice to meet you, mate.
See you next time. I'll be back.